Welcome to Diecast Duo finds P-Case. Hunt for the Gasser Super. The duo missed out on a P-Case drop at Target, but not to worry, as they're hitting up another local Target, hoping to time the drop. Let's check in on the duo, shall we?
We got a case of P-Case hitting our targets. The other one we missed out because we decided not to hit it up, so maybe this one barely put out some cases of P.
You say a case of P-Case?
Yeah, a case of P-Case. We're gonna find some P-Case. Hopefully they didn't pee in it.
Ooh, that had them going for a second, but that's not quite what they're looking for.
Do they have some pee in our case?
Pops.
Still in.
Yeah, still some minor in. Very minor inch. Well, the other Target did have P-Case, but somebody found a treasure hunt there and all that. No super. We had the chance, man. We didn't do it. Ooh, they got new Johnny Lightnings. Look at that.
Purple.
And pink.
Called lilac.
Ooh, it's Studebaker Golden Hawk. That's lavender. Huh. Pink.
Furious. What does it say? Furious fuchsia. It must be the A and B because that's the same one as that other one back there.
Yeah.
Let's fast forward a little bit.
Yeah. I got panders and Frylock.
Suck my fried dick.
A little bit further.
Might as well take a gander at these. Sure, that's not a greenie.
One more time. Here we go.
Let me look at these poops real quick. And that was it.
The cards. It kind of comes with the 72.
Got any of them yet today? I have not opened any, but this is my second one, so we only have one more of these. So
We saw the one and got some new ones in. And I figured I didn't know if y'all were or not.
did you check down here where they had them? We only have
That's a box that looks like those with the little checkerboards on there, but these cards right here, there's 72
Okay.
inside the box.
I haven't opened one yet of them, but I mean, I'm pretty quick with it right now.
You might have one in the back though.
I can go check.
If you do, man, we'll open them and put them on the pegs for you.
I can check for you right now.
Save you some time.
It's like those you said, right? Just got scared.
Yeah, it looks like that little brown box with the little black squares on there. And there's 72 count is what's inside the box.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Maybe we have a P-Case.
No, he said he had one more.
One more crate or U-boat, whatever they call it. U-crate. Well, I will turn it back on if we, sorry for the close-up, guys. If there's something, I'll turn it back on.
I'm in your face. I'm in your face.
Yeah, they go
McLaren.
Your McLaren. A new Gaster.
Which kind of car was it?
I was a McLaren.
Look at that.
This P case.
Yeah. Sure is. There's the red lightning.
Oh, hell yeah. Set that one to the side over here.
Yeah, they had 3 of these at the other one in boxes.
I still don't know which boxes you're talking about. These?
No, these.
Oh, these, okay. These?
Oh, look at there. The car's just...
Oh wow, there's one that's actually out.
Yep.
Wow.
Nice.
I see the purple Ford in there.
Barracuda.
I saw a purple Ford.
Did you?
That's cool. Nice Barracuda. I see a red edition, the donut drifter. I want it. Can you get the donut drifter?
Where?
Right there, on the top.
Oh.
And that gasser too that he just put up. Down on the bottom. Right there.
Oh yeah, the main line. I didn't see him.
Hell yeah, the gasser and a donut drifter. What is that? Is unknown super.
That's the end case still. Huh.
If you want it, set it over here. There you go.
Yeah.
Do you want this
Yeah.
Barracudas? There, you can put these up over there so they're not sitting out.
Appreciate it, man.
No, sir. Sorry about that. If you
No,
can
no
find
problem.
these.
Thank you.
I might have some. I'm gonna just let you know if I.
Okay. I didn't even see a treasure hunt. I was trying to. I was like hoping
Hey, new bone shaker.
look to see what the hell he was pulling out at the same time that the shit I was pulling out.
There's the X-Jet. And the Honest Diecast special.
See, that's that same one.
Yeah, there's our first encounterance of P-Case. Hey, look at this, a new Dodge, the new Dodge Rampage.
Yeah, and the.
Oh, and the La Trucca. Hell yeah.
Sure. I think I'll pick that one
I'll put these over here. We're taking these.
too. Yeah,
Don't let us forget them,
There's
guys.
supposed to be some other red editions in there too.
Yeah, I saw that.
I
It's
didn't
that donut
realize there
drifter.
was a donut drifter in there.
Damn it. Damn.
Bam.
Too excited over there, man. The 96 Chevrolet Impala, a gray Miata.
Can't put the fucking things up there all the way back. Where the stopper is.
A Bugatti, new for 2020. Oh, this is in case. The Blue Gotti. See what I did there?
No treasure hunt, huh?
What is the treasure? hunt?
Galaxie.
Oh, the Galaxie. Yeah, no Galaxie. Another color of the Prelude. A red one. Damn, how many colors are they gonna make of that one?
Huh.
That's cool though. And only one gasser. Unless you saw one.
No.
A new color of the Celica. Ooh, look at this. Oldsmobile Golf.
The 442.
Looks like the duo made out pretty good with that P-Case drop. Even though they didn't get the Super, a mainline is very welcome. Let's bring it back to the duo for the last comments.
And one red edition, one gasser. One freaking gasser.
Yeah.
That's cool though. That's what I wanted, man. That's what I wanted.
I want the real one.
And what are you taking over there?
A bunch of bullshit.
Ford Lightning. Ooh. Barracuda, a non-super. That's still cool though. La Troca. Honest Diecast and the X-Mans. Hell yeah, man. Hey, look, a custom Ford Bronco, another color of it. It's orange. Orange.
Right.
Yeah, it did.
Born 1977. Imagine that.
There's a lot of cool cars in P-Case. New Dodge Rampage, Gasser, Barracuda, Ford Lightning, Ford, Machoka, all that. This one, and that one, and that one, and that one, and that one. You don't want the Golf, man? You don't want the Golf? The Oldsmobile? Nah. Or the Bugatti, everybody's going, why'd you taking the Bugatti? It's so cool.
There's two of them.
Take it. You idiots.
You stupid idiot.
It's okay. I was mainly after the Gasser
I
though.
didn't realize there was a red.
Yeah, me neither.
There was only one in there.
Yeah.
One. How many? There's a few.
I just saw him put it up there. Cool, nice haul. We didn't fully miss out.
Right. Yeah.
But the hunt's still on for the Super and the treasure hunt. Hitting up the best place in the world with your non-Super. Try to make this quick. I know y'all are dying to see the nothing they have. It's like what it was last time we were here.
Good one of these. I like them red wheels.
Cool.
Red wheels.
More Ninja Turtles and Fast and Furious. New Matchbox.
What's that? Is this new?
I think so. Yeah, there's the Poop King. Mustang Coupe that looks like kind of almost the Chase. This one's got red wheels too, but just a little red circle though.
Yeah. Sure does.
Try to make this quick too.
So I should have done for cruise. Done one of those. The Master Coupe. The Monster Coupe.
SpongeBob. Oh, y'all. How y'all doing, y'all? Tell y'all what. And try to start speed running these damn Walmarts. Takes too long. The treasure hunt. Wow. There's the symbol. We actually found something good at Walmart.
Where's it at?
Right here.
Right there, if I'd stopped and looked. Did you look at all of them yet?
Nope. I can't believe we actually found a monster truck treasure hunt. This is the first one we've ever found.
Wow.
See, there's the symbol right there. We've seen so many fake out Roger Dodgers. Yeah, the fake out Roger Dodger. Damn, another non-Roger Dodger.
Roger Dodger that.
Yeah, that's one thing to cross off the list. Blown away, man. I don't even know what to say. Yeah, and there's this treasure hunt symbol right there too. That's cool. Wow. Look, the treasure hunt symbol's on the back of the card too, right there.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Guess they changed it up. Cards off.
Hey, look, a convertible.
Well, that's cool.
Hell yeah, man.
Supposedly it was like behind the tire before, when you couldn't see it. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think it's still there. He's,
Right, you have to take the whole
yeah,
thing
you
off
gotta.
to see it.
They still got the stack of these.
Wow.
Stack of these, stack of those.
These,
Ooh, look at this. This looks funny.
The zingers. People like those too.
Wow. How does it? I guess it's like the front's tilted down. Huh. Yeah, and there's a big wagon. That's cool, man. Wow. Wow. Throw it now, throw it.
Let me kick it down the aisle for you.
I'm trying to get out of your way, man.
Kick it down the aisle.
Cool. Yeah, I just don't know what to say. Besides cool.
I know what to say. I should have stopped and looked. It would have been mine.
They got the old man diecast mobile.
Man.
Imagine if that kid just took a NM2 chase. They had a red whatever on there. What is it?
Square body, man.
Oh, it's a SpongeBob square body.
I'm gonna have to get that.
13 bucks though. $13.
It's terrible. Terrible. Terrible.
It looked like it had red rims on there.
Oh, really?
I was thinking, man, that kid just take a chase. It's cool for them, you know. I mean, that's cool if they got it, you know. Then her dad might realize, hey kid, don't open that.
Yeah.
Your hippos are not as famished as they claim, Mr. Bond. Heading up the best place on the planet. Favorite place in the world. Heard some Hot Wheels may possibly have dropped.
The place where we don't believe in cashiers anymore.
Here's a pallet that we won't be rating.
Hey man, look at that. I'll have to get another one of them.
Here's a Liberty Walker. M. Get on there, doofus. A golden Camaro. Liberty Walk. A giant steamer boat. An organization. Another Cybertruck. And Mark Kart.
You want another Mario Kart?
Nah, I'm good. So that's already 3 good finds at Walmart. That's things are turning around.
Yes, sir.
They have a non-super over here for you. And they have a damn. And they have a Lamborghini Hurricane Coupe. People love the Lamborghinis.
Non-suit.
I saw.
The non-suit.
And I saw another Mark Kart. There's a Nissan Skyline.
Well, find this.
Yeah, how come we never find this whole thing untouched? Put the boxes in there.
Digging through it. And will they bring the turtles back with different cars? These are different. They're different cars.
I don't know, man.
They're all the fantasy cars.
They got the old man diecast boat.
Yeah.
Darth Vader, man.
I am your father.
Did you already look through all the monster trucks?
Yeah, I've seen that.
All over. Oh, here's different, they got Matchbox bands or MBK bands, the Red Skull, that Heavy Hauler, Combat Medic. They got any of the Captain Americas? They do. This is one of the ones everybody's buying up. Look at this. One of the ones we never saw.
It's not Captain America.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. It's fucking.
Oh.
I got that when you open it. And
Oh, it's Nick Fury. Yeah. My
If
B.
they had that one, I'd want to get it. The Captain America.
I was mistaken.
Alrighty then. Alrighty then.
Ace Venturas.
Got a fake out greenie. I got 15 of the same one, so that's how you know it's not a greenie.
I guess I am.
I turned on the camera, I saw Dave's side, I saw this, and I went, damn, Dave is slacking.
Yep.
He missed the Space Jam van. But do you really still want it? I don't want it. I don't like Space Jam. I don't like that one.
I don't like Space Jam either.
I've decided I'm gonna get the Lamborghini.
Big spender today.
Yeah.
Big spender.
Got you another Space Jammer van? Then you want to do a custom for it or something?
Mm-hmm.
What does the HEB have for us today?
Hey, look at there. A
Banana car.
A banana car.
That's a big yellow banana.
That is a big old yellow banana.
And they got the Halloweener cars.
Yeah.
The Camino. A boner shaker. Damn. Oh, that's probably why it fell. The card's all messed up. Battle Cat. Damn.
Top of that one.
Oh, that's one of the cool ones that I've seen on That's a Man Diecast video. No, I never found it.
Yeah. I might have to take this banana car too.
Yeah, that's a cool matchbox. That top looks awesome.
Yeah.
I like that. I like it.
This is the new case on that.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Some gold wheels on there.
Ooh.
Gold V.
Yeah, apparently that Super Chase is one in every case, so not as rare as we thought, but we still haven't found one. Of course, Master Cruise found one.
Yeah. Those are some good wheels and tires there. Damn.
Big spender.
I know.
How about you buy an empty? You want to buy an empty package too?
Josh!
It doesn't matter what you think. Is it a treasure hunt?
It is, look.
Oh wow, it is. This Power Wheels is actually a treasure hunt. I'll say that as a joke. Spider-Man, what are you doing here?
Convertibles series.
Oh wow. What's that?
Lincoln Continental.
That looks
That's
cool.
fucking awesome. Might have to take that.
Dang.
Mudstain convertible. There's a Pagani.
Huh.
Hoorah, hoorah,
There's
hoorah.
a bunch of other cars.
What is that? A Camaro. All the fucking cards are bent. 69.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Pontiac GTO.
Might have to have that one if you don't want it.
It's cool, you can have them.
49 Merc.
Damn, that looks awesome.
How many are there? 4,
There's a lot.
10. Cards fucked on that one. To use it for customization, maybe.
Mustang, Lincoln, that looks cool. The blue and the blue interior. Same for that Pontiac, that looks awesome.
To fix that up.
You don't want no pink Scion?
Pink shine. We got some M case here.
In case, what the hell? What are you doing in case with nothing here? Besides the cool
I'd
set.
still like to find a shit, just the main line of the Super.
Damn, they got a bunch of these stacked up.
Huh, the Jadas.
Mr. Piblet.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Ooh. Ooh.
They got one, another one.
Ooh, the 6-wheeler for customization.
Might have to be. Yeah, I'm gonna do 2 now.
Getting back into customs, buying a bunch of wheels and
That's nice.
wheels and steels.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh no, look at that. Look up there. They got even more of them.
Wow, man.
That's at least 4, 8, 12. There's 12 right there, and 16, 20, 23, 24.
No, I got so many of them.
You got 24 of those things.
Huh.
Wow. Ooh, they got a Porsche. A Camaro. Here's a Camaro that
Yeah.
that guy that was asking me that I met at the Dollar General.
Maybe we're just staring at your camera.
What is that? What is he holding?
We'll cover that blinking lights up again.
Yeah, Mr. You know who you are.
I mean, you know, what's that? I heard that one dude said he found a treasure hunt.
In the 9-packs,
Yeah, he said it was the little.
red express truck that's green.
Yeah.
What is that? That looks cool. It's not in that one. We were coming down here, and this is, like David just said, this is the first time we've ever seen an M2 sidekick. And it's all Coca-Cola too.
That's cool, man.
Did you find a chase down there?
Show the hell didn't.
Wow. We've never ever seen an M2 display.
55 Gasser.
It's cool they got trees in there.
Yeah,
Your tree's a little...
hauling it on the Mustang. So.
Yeah. Did Master Cruz already come and say, here's my chase car, man? Oh, that's cool. It's a Bel Air Gasser. It's a little stuck in there, Gasser. I want this one. Screw it. I don't want to look at this one. It's got Coke on the top of it. And this one.
Coke bottle.
That's cool. Bel Air Gasser. Can polar bears even drink Coke?
Sure, they do it in the commercials all the time.
This is very unexpected. These all look cool, especially that Gasser.
Yeah.
And the Mustang or the
So that
Camaro.
Dude that apparently doesn't scalp, you know.
Yeah, the not scalper on YouTube.
I've only found 11 raw chases only.
So what is that? It's a Chevy
10.
Cheyenne. Huh. And these are cool. Like, you know, old man Diecast would like the Camaro, and then Mustang Hunter like this. I'd like this one, but
I like that body style of that Mustang with the Bronco too.
oh, there's a Bronco.
Yeah. First
Damn.
gen 66. Got the plow on
That's
there.
cool. Yeah, I'd like this one, but I don't feel like paying that much for it. Are you gonna break down and
I might have to break down.
break down?
Go ahead and give it to me. Yeah, they can give them to me if they want.